Viewers, today latest update about war between Ethiopian National Defense Force and the Tigray Defense Force in Ethiopia. Viewers, according to the latest news is that Tigray forces are close to controlling the Djibouti-Addis road after approaching the control of the city of Mile. If control of the city of Mile is tainted, no agreement will distract us from liberating every inch from the lands of Tigray and in the same occupied West Tigray region, because it is a legitimate right that cannot be negotiated. Whereas Tigray forces claim major battlefield advance to control Mile. Tigray forces have achieved a major military breakthrough in their quest to take Mile. Mile is a strategic town on the trade route linking Ethiopia landlocked capital Addis to the sea part of Djibouti. Now that Tigray Defense Force has controlled Mile, is the blockade officially lifted, or Tigray Defense Force has cut off Addis Ababa from the part of Djibouti and Amhara and Afar regions completely. And viewers, according to the Tigray sources, in Mile Afar region there was a heavy fighting occurred. The news are saying that they were separated from each other. Whereas 48 hours ago that the war is on the side of the war and it is decided. There is a lot of fear tonight in the western city region. And he was the leader of the Afri Bido Sultanate, Sultan Shami Muhammad Ahu, joined the ranks of Tigray and urged the Afri people to unite and continue their struggle against Abiy. The Sultanate of Bedu is an ancient tribe whose peoples are found in the Ethiopian and Eritrean lands. He stated that the Tigray people whose federal revolution brought about had a major role in uniting the ranks of the Afri people and ruling their territory. And viewers, on the other hand, according to the Oromia sources, the Oromia Liberation Army has taken many troops to the area of the capital Addis. The Oromia Liberation Army is taking a very good preparation. If the news is getting to us, the troops that were taken to the northern part of the Anfar region are waiting for the troops coming to the north side of Anfar region. While Abiy was busy with Tigray, Oromo built strong army. Anyways, I already informed you that about the Vice President of Tigray administration, Debretsion Gebremichael, interviewed the Tigrayan media, said that it is time to end the dictatorship. Debretsion explained that the last few days they had been working hard to end the conflict in discussion, but the result is not reached, and they are forced to. The existence of the citizen is worse than being brought to the law. Once asked about the new coalition, he said that no one will be forced and every ethnic group will decide on its own. It won't happen like 1991. The plan we have is that every ethnic group should take its own points. Even if we continue together, Article 39 will work for it officially. The discussions are always open until the last hour, and the success is a matter of diplomacy. Success is not power and wealth but politics and diplomacy, and this is what we are ready for every time. So viewers, this is the latest update about it. For more latest report, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.